Fresh parsley is usually used as a garnish and enhance the flavor of foods. Parsley is rich in a range of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. According to the Natural Medicines database, drinking 2 cups of parsley tea every day prevents kidney stones, regulate menstruation, promote blood sugar control, and reduce the risk of cancer. Parsley is high in fiber and low in calories. That makes it a nutritious addition to a healthy weight loss diet. Regular consumption of parsley tea can help you lose up to 15 pounds in a month. In today's video we will share how to make parsley tea for weight loss. 2 easiest ways. Best time to drink it. And the precautions. Watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Process 1. Cut some fresh parsley and put it in a cup. Add hot water in it. Cover and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now remove the parsley leaves and drink. You can add some lemon juice, grated ginger, and honey to boost the nutrients. Or just have it plain. Drink this powerful homemade fat-burning drink on an empty stomach before breakfast and 30 minutes before bedtime. Being rich in chlorophyll, parsley tea will improve the detoxification and support weight loss fast naturally. Here is another method to make it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add the chopped parsley and boil for 2 minutes. Now strain and drink. Try this recipe for a month. The result will surprise you. Precautions. Don't overdo it. Consuming large amounts of parsley can be dangerous. Simply have 2 or 1 cup of tea each day. If you are pregnant or have diabetes, fluid retention, or kidney disease, talk to your doctor fast. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more weight loss tips.